Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. And today we are doing another styling guide or style inspiration. And today I want to share with you how I would style neutral colors in summer. And before I show you all the look or all the outfit, I'm just going to share with you the items that I have used for this video. So let's get started with the top first. And actually most of these items I got it from Banana Republic, and for those of you who don't know Banana Republic, they actually do carry a lot of very classic pieces and very classy pieces as well, or they're also timeless, and it's my go-to place when I want to get something, a timeless piece, a top, a bottom. And they also carry a whole lot of like items for work or workwear. So let's get started with the first top that I have, which I love. I absolutely love this top. So this is actually a crop top. I do love the crop top of it. I love the open back of this top, and I think this is a combination of linen and cotton. It's very pretty in person, and it's such a very flattering top for me. So the next top that I have is actually from H&M, and I got this from my last H&M haul, and this is actually in beige color. Now a lot of the colors that I have here is beige, white, and I only have one black, and I have a dark beige. But this one is linen, and this is from H&M. And of course, for neutrals, you always gonna have a white shirt. And this one I also got it from H&M. I mean, it's not H&M, Banana Republic, but this is a very long shirt, and it's actually sleeveless, which is very perfect for summer. And this is actually made in cotton. And of course, if I have white, I'm also gonna have a black shirt. Now this one I got from H&M, and this is made of linen, but this is actually long sleeves, so it can get really hot in summer, but you can just fold it to make it 3/4. And the other top that I have is from, again, Banana Republic, and I think this is a viscose. Let me check, but the material is very soft. It doesn't really feel like cotton. Well, unfortunately, this is actually polyester, but the material is very soft on this one. And again, this is made in from Banana Republic. I like the two pockets in the front, and I do love the buttons in the front as well. And I think this is such a lovely blouse, very perfect for summer, and also very perfect for work. Okay, let's move on to the bottom. So the first bottom that I have is shorts. Well, of course, it's summer. You definitely need shorts for summer. And this is such a classy, very classy short. If there's any shorts that you would want for summer and you want to look chic and classy and timeless, is a beige or an ecru. And I would opt out on denim, but I would do something like this, which has a little pleats in the front. And actually Cezanne has this kind of shorts as well, but this is Banana Republic. So the second bottom that I have is the skirt, which is the matching set with the crop top that I showed you. But this is a long maxi skirt, and I think this is a linen blend, but I do like this one. And again, this is from Banana Republic. And the other bottom that I have, or pants, is again from Banana Republic, and this is, I think, a darker beige, but it says it's beige, but for me it's more of a darker beige. But these are like the key pants for summer, is this color, beige and white. So if you do want to have a timeless, classy summer wardrobe, you want to incorporate colors, neutral colors such as white, beige, darker beige, or tan or camel or what have you, whatever color you call it. But for me, it's like the classy term for brown. And also black. Those are the three colors you would want for your summer wardrobe. Even though I know it's summer, but black is always classy even in summer. And you can pick a black that has like short sleeves, or a shorts that is in black, or a dress, I would say probably midi dress in black, which can also cool you off because there's not a lot of like material, even though the color is black. But again, these are the colors I have for summer, and this is how I'm going to style neutrals in summer. And again, with neutrals, you can pair it with a whole lot of colors. So that's the beauty of having neutral colors as your foundation in your summer wardrobe, because you can you're gonna have a whole lot of outfits for summer. But these are just things that I would use for summer wardrobe, because I can do a whole lot of outfits with just these items. All right, so let me show you the lookbook, and I hope you do like this lookbook.